After having completed the alignment, select the ACC Calibration procedure from the K4 key, or the calibration icon from the procedure bar at the right. If prompted, compensate the rear sensors. Move the VAS 6430 calibration fixture into position so it's roughly centered side to side, and with the bar 120 centimeters from the front of the vehicle. If prompted, move the mirror assembly from the middle of the fixture to the right of the vertical slide. Position the mirror assembly bracket against the vertical slide bracket and snug the lock knobs. Otherwise, leave it centered on the calibration bar. Mount the aiming cameras to the calibration bar on each side and lock them level. When prompted to do so, disconnect the alignment cameras from the back of the console and connect the aiming cameras. Both aiming cameras should be flashing. Then, remove the front targets. Turn the adjustment knob on the mirror assembly so that position number 2 is facing the vehicle. Then, remove the license plate support from the front of the vehicle to reveal the sensor. Next, turn the laser unit on and move the fixture laterally until the laser beam is centered horizontally on the sensor lens at the car. On some models, a mirror adjustment case is placed over the sensor. In this case, center the laser beam horizontally on the mirror. Now, adjust knobs 1, 2, and 3 to center the bubbles in levels A and B on the mirror assembly. With the crank handle, adjust the height of the fixture so the laser beam is centered vertically on the sensor at the car. If necessary, adjust the height of the rack to achieve proper vertical alignment with the laser beam. When using the mirror adjustment case, center the laser beam vertically on the mirror. Next, adjust the designated screws at the sensor assembly so the reflected laser beam is centered in the emitter opening at the large mirror assembly on the calibration fixture. Recheck and level and lock the aiming cameras on each side of the bar. Next, adjust the angle of the fixture bar until the arrow is centered in the indicated bar graph at the aligner display. The VAS 6430 calibration fixture is now set up and ACC calibration can begin. Using the VAS diagnostic tester, complete the ACC calibration as described by the tester. Note: Hunter's high-definition wheel targets may also be used for this service procedure.